fraught with confusion, one man will break his silence.
Hello, I'm Paul Duncan, also known as Mr. Moderator. Today I'd like to talk to you about a question that I've been asked by some content creators and how they can help their moderators. What can they do to make the moderator's job a little bit easier? And if you're young in your YouTube channel and you're just getting started, it helps to start thinking about what you want to have happen on your channel, the types of comments, the way you want your conversations to go, and start writing that down. Also, if you start getting moderators on your channel when you're young, talk to them. You know, generally speaking, they're probably people that you are friends with or have some sort of a communications path with. Talk to them, see how things are going from their side. If your channel has been established, you can still do the same thing. You know, put together, think about how the conversations on your channel have been going on your live streams, and are there changes that you want to make, things that may have happened along the way. Start documenting that down. I've worked with content creators that have a very specific document that they give me when I'm a moderator that says, this is what a moderator should be for them. Things you can do, things you can't do, types of comments and things that they don't want you or want you to get rid of on their channels. So, you know, it's a very concise document. And I've seen some that are, just a general outline, and some that are very specific. So as the content creator, that's up to you. But your moderators don't know necessarily what to do unless you give them some guidance. And a document like that is very helpful. Also, if you have been around for a while and you have several moderators, maybe think about doing a chat. Use a Discord channel, use Messenger, do a conference call, something. Have a chat with them every month or every couple of months and just see how things are going, and if there's any problems that they're experiencing or things that they would like to see you do, or ask them, if there's something they'd like to see you do. So a two-way conversation is really great. The other thing too is if you can provide your moderators with a document. I showed this in one of my previous ones, and this is from one of the content creators that I support, Indy Delgado, and it's a 3-page document. It has all of her links in it. It's a shared document, so she can make updates to it. But doing something like that, can really help clear the air, make sure that the moderators have the information, if there's links that you want them to provide and things like that. It can really help the moderator out so that they're not having to try to find something. If there's links or something that you want to have for the an upcoming stream, you can supply that to those moderators too. So it's a two-way street between the content creator and the moderator. But as I said, the moderators are there to help you, but they don't know what you want them to do unless you tell them. You can kind of make it free range and, just kind of go with the flow type thing, which it will happen, and things may happen that you want and things may happen that you don't want. The other thing that I would suggest highly, and I'm going to do a separate little episode on, but look on your back channel, look in Studio, see who your hidden users are, look and see who your moderators are. Check that at least once a month so that you know what's going on and you can make adjustments. If there's moderators that have, kind of gone by the wayside, remove them from your channel. You may look at your hidden users. You may have had a user that was hidden and you didn't realize it, and it's somebody that you don't want hidden. So like I said, once a month, every couple of months, go into your studio, go into the back and see what's happening and what's happened, and make sure all of that information is up to date. You'll have a much smoother relationship with your moderators. Your moderators will be happy, and you won't be as frustrated too at times with, maybe some things that are going on. I hope this has helped you get a better understanding of how you can work with your moderators and help open a communications channel with them and help make their job a little bit easier. As always, if you have any questions or there's topics you'd like me to cover on a future episode, please put them in the comments below and we'll be sure to cover them for you. With that, thanks for joining, and we'll see you on the next episode.